Hey everyone, I am Arshit and watching current technology English please subscribe, like and share my channel. So I will be motivated for reading technical videos later, so let's start it. Today I'll continue our Jarvis project. So guys, we were here at our project, and guys, here we will explain our structure for the speech recognition library. So guys, you have to simply install one package more. Pip install speech underscore hyphen recognition, then grok, and that's perfect. PyTTSF3 speech recognition groks. Thus, just these much libraries. So let me see if there is something wrong. Okay, let me find it on PyPy. So PyPy is official documentation for the packages. Speech recognition. Okay, that is this. We have to write this. So this is the command. So just like that, we'll paste that here, and it has been already installed in my system, so I don't have to install it again. But it will take 2-3 minutes to install this, but it will install just as your computer fast. It depends as computer as your fast, how much your computer speed is. So guys, we were here. Let's see.
I am Jarvis, an AI assistant.
So this was working, and after this we will also implement a speech recognition so that we can use the mic to overview that. Then we will integrate grok so that it can answer behalf on AI also, but it will also work as open Google. Then you will open the Google. If it doesn't match the conditions, then it will automatically trigger the AI. So that's it guys, this is a video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.